Texas, which includes part of Austin, a judge is defying now anti-mask mandate Governor Greg Abbott. The judge is ordering students, staff, and visitors to wear masks in county schools. It's one of many skirmishes across the country over face coverings as school districts battle their own governors.
We're going to do whatever we can to vindicate the rights of parents and make sure that parents are in the driver's seat when it comes to the health, education, and welfare of their kids. And these should not be decreed by the government. This should be something that a parent is ultimately making the decision on.
We feel strongly that the lives of our students and staff are invaluable, and we're not willing to play Russian roulette with their lives or take a risk of losing people because we have people in schools without masks.
Leave it up to the parents? Well, they are bitterly divided themselves. We are seeing those for and those against masking mandates clash at rallies and meetings.
I am a nurse practitioner and I work in the hospital, and I see patients on the ventilator of all ages all the time right now, and it's disturbing that somebody would send their kid to school without a mask.
I would never put them in a mask because their brain needs oxygen to grow, which the neurologist can confirm. Anyway, the real part of the clown show is that you all think that you actually have the authority to mandate this.
Michael Linahosa is the superintendent for the Dallas Independent School District. His district is requiring masks. A judge recently upheld the mandate. Thank you for joining us, Michael. A year and a half into the pandemic, did you imagine you'd be battling Governor Abbott over protecting your students?
No, in fact, I thought this year would be back to some kind of normalcy, but almost 10 days ago, things started turning for the worst, and all of a sudden we had to make some important decisions that, oh my goodness, here we go again, but this one is much more serious, and so we had to take matters into our own hands, and it's been very difficult, but it's been the right thing to do according to our community and our staff and the people who have supported us on this decision so far.
So why did you make the decision to essentially defy the governor and impose a mask mandate?
Well, the things started turning very great very quickly, and we had heard a story by a doctor from UT Southwestern that if you have a mask, it helps give you another layer of protection, even if you have the vaccine. It almost insulates you from it. So once I heard that report and things started getting worse, almost on an hourly basis, we decided to go forward. I notified my school board, and we put a plan together. And so far, 4 days in, every student, over 20,000 students have already started. We have another 140 coming on Monday. And so far, everyone has complied with our request in the Dallas School District. However, we have a case in front of the Supreme Court. 2 hours ago, our county executive had to turn in information, and so we expect the Texas Supreme Court to rule maybe even as early as tomorrow as to how I'm going to operate the school district on Monday morning. So you're on the cusp of some significant breaking news either way.
All right, well, we'll be watching it closely. More than 4,000 students, 280 staff members in Hillsborough County, Florida Public Schools are in isolation or quarantine due to either testing positive for COVID or being exposed to a COVID case, according to a post on the district's website. Are you concerned that you're going to face a similar situation?
I've been very proud. We have a dashboard that's on our website, and because we have masks, we've had less than 15 cases so far. I was talking to a suburban superintendent. He had 15 cases Friday on his campus because they did not have masks. And so, yeah, I am very concerned. Those numbers of Hillsborough County and districts like that are our size, that are in the urban areas where there are a lot of people, it could escalate quickly. And so we need every tool in our toolkit to try to handle these matters. And so we hope the governor at least gives a temporary reprieve on this, not allowing us to have masks.
I'm curious, what are you hearing from parents about the mask mandate? I mean, we just saw a video of parents getting really fired up over this on both sides of the issue.
Well, actually, we get nothing but support so far. We're very proud of our parents. We've been communicating with them a lot, but I'll know a lot more because some of our more middle-class parents are going to start showing up on Monday. And so far, we've had no issues with parents. I've had one teacher file a grievance. I had another teacher tell me she wished she hadn't come to the district. But we have 11,000 teachers, so overwhelmingly we've had support in Dallas ISD thus far. But stay tuned because anything could happen.
We are staying tuned. Michael Linahosa, thank you so much for your time tonight.
Thank you for having me.